Congratulations, you've got an accepted offer on your new home. The next step of negotiations is going to be repairs. Here's what you should expect from your home inspection. All about lists. As a buyer, what you need to keep in consideration is a home inspection is put in place for your protection. They're going to go through the home and make lists of all the things that need repairs. The truth is that not every single item that they come up with is a reason to back out of a contract, and ultimately they're not trying to get you out of a deal. Their job is to make sure that they give you a list of all the things, whether that be maintenance, safety items, or major defects in the property, that you know what you're getting into. This is going to give you the best opportunity to go back, check out everything that needs to be done, and go forward with negotiating repairs. Not everything is checked. Now this one may come as a shock to some people, but a home inspector is not necessarily going to check everything at the property. What they generally are contracted for is to get on the roof, in the attic, check out your major components and any basement, crawl space, or slabs that may be there. They're also going to check out plumbing and electrical inside of the home. But these are general inspections. A lot of times if you're looking at a property that has any specialized feature, you may need to get additional inspections. One that's most often overlooked is an in-ground pool. Many people don't realize that's not covered in a typical home inspection, and they may not think to hire someone else to come and check that out. Check out your inspector. Not all home inspectors do the exact same job or provide the exact same service. It's up to you to make sure you found the right home inspector for your particular situation. As a realtor, I have a list of professionals that I work with quite often, and I am happy to give you names and addresses where you can check these people out to find out if you're getting the right person to offer you the right service. Show up for the inspection. I tell my buyers all the time, if you have the time, go to the inspection. It's a great opportunity to ask questions of the home inspector. They're going to be able to point out specific things that they think are the most important things to focus on, as well as give you some maintenance tips as well, like pointing out where your air filters are, where's your main water shutoff. Not only that, a lot of times the reports come in and it's hard to get a good tone or understand exactly what an inspector means or what they're pointing out in their photos. If you're there, you have the opportunity to make sure you know exactly what they're talking about. Get ready to negotiate. As I mentioned previously, not every single item that comes up on a home inspection is going to be grounds for getting a repair done. Make sure you go through the list of everything that comes up and get ready to negotiate those repairs. Your agent should be able to help you pick the most important items to focus on, and you also need to understand that sometimes every single item that's on that list doesn't necessarily need to be taken care of. There's no such thing as a perfect home, but what we want to try to do is make sure we're getting you something safe to move your family in. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. As always, check the description box for a link to an article with all this information and a little bit more. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.